Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Kelly Silva was born and raised in Votorantim, Brazil. She is based in her hometown, Votorantim, SP. Kelly Silva stands 5 feet 2 inches tall or 157 centimeters, body type, curvy/BBW. She has a beautiful dark brown hair and brown eyes. Color, marital status, single, nationality, Brazilian. The voluptuous Latina gained huge popularity on Instagram by sharing her magnificent, sizzling, curvaceous, attractive photos and videos. She began to publish on Instagram since July 2017 and started her modeling career in 2018. Kelly Silva loved fashion, makeup and modeling from a young age. She decided to forge a career in modeling. She began modeling on Instagram by sharing her stunning photos and videos. On Instagram, the big beautiful Latina has attracted more than 213,000 followers to her official Instagram account, where she promotes body positivity and empowers women to love and accept their bodies irrespective of their size or shape. Kelly Silva also uses her social media platforms to promote different fashion, apparel, lingerie, sports, and makeup brands like Florana Souza, Nina Sintos and more. Kelly Silva is currently signed by Mega Model Agency, the largest modeling agency in Latin America.